Hi, this is Mitchell with BrainWire. Today I'd like to introduce you to one of our most popular products, the Capacitive Touch Switch Button Module Board. This touch switch module is an ideal solution for those seeking a modern, reliable, and convenient touch input for their projects. You simply touch the board here, and the capacitive sensor recognizes your touch. Embedded with a TTP223 touch switch IC located right here, this module guarantees stable performance as well as high sensitivity. It features a unique self-locking design. Once touched, the module remains in that state until it's touched again, offering great control for your circuits. This versatile module can cater to a variety of applications. From simple on-off switches to more intricate circuits, it can handle it all. Our module is user-friendly and can connect directly to your microcontroller. Operating within a voltage range of 2 to 5.5 volts DC and with a quick response time, it ensures your project reacts to user input swiftly and accurately. The module measures 14 millimeters by 11 millimeters by 2.2 millimeters in height, making it compact enough to fit in most project cases. At BrainWire, we take pride in offering top-notch customer service and fast shipping. When you place an order with us, rest assured your components will arrive on time and in perfect condition. Visit us at www.brainwire.io to explore our range of curated electronic components. Stay tuned for more product showcases, and thank you for choosing BrainWire.